Today I have with me the most premium headphones in the headphone segment, the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. When it's Bose, it's all about sound. So they have mentioned sound is power on one side. This looks cool. In today's video, we will do the unboxing, examine the contents in the box, take a physical overview of the device, and understand the physical layout of the device. And also I'll go through some of the features and the pricing of this device. This is no cheap. This is a premium segment headphones from Bose. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's examine the contents of the box. Wow, this is all premium. It's a Bose quality. I really like the style they are carrying here with the packaging. Shows the premiumness of Bose. There's nothing on the back. Oh, this case is premium. It has a leather finish. That's how the case looks like. So let's go in and check the beautiful moonstone blue color. This is limited edition color introduced this time for the Quiet Comfort headphones of Bose. This is how it is packaged beautifully. Shows the Bose standard, and they have given the matching 3.5 mm audio cable. So the logo is slight subtle compared to the Bose QC 45, the previous generation of this one, but look, the design looks the same. But this color is a new limited edition color. This looks beautiful. I love how they have taken extra care to package this, for safety. This looks really premium. It is premium. So this is how they have packaged this one, so that there's no single scratch on the device. And here go. This is beautiful. And this turns inwards, outwards, the way you want to fit it. And this also tells the ear cups on this one are so soft. Definitely defines why is it called the Quiet Comfort headphones. So let's take a physical overview of the layout. We have two microphones for this one, and this one is for connecting using the 3.5 mm jack, but it's 2.5 mm on this side and 3.5 mm on the other side. So you have to use a Bose 3.5 mm to 2.5 mm jack for you to be able to connect. So you cannot use a 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable for you to connect to this device. So that's something which has to be noted. And we have the type C for the charging, and we have the volume rockers, and we have the right and left mentioned clearly grooved inside the ear cups. And this is for activating the active noise cancellation transparency mode, which is called aware mode on the Bose branding, Bose terminology. and we have a toggle switch for Bluetooth on and off. So this is so convenient. Everything is physical buttons. Everything feels so sturdy. Everything feels so easy and so conveniently located. That's the beauty of the design, and it hasn't changed since the QC 45. And we get a USB Type-C charging cable on this one. With the Bose logo on this. This is pretty solid, the Bose quality. So that's pretty much inside the box. And the price on this is Bose, and this is one of the premium segment headphones. The price on this is $350. Falls on the premium range of the headphones, and with taxes it will be around 380 to 390 depending on where you live. So it's roughly around $385 in take-home price for you all. And the material on this one is so soft. No, this is very soft, and it definitely justifies the name. I'm not sure if you're seeing the finish on this is like the leather finish material. The color is subtle, and all the boards, everything looks so premium and so much of great quality. So we have active noise cancellation in this one as well, like any other QC 45s, any other quiet comfort range of headphones from Bose. And what I have heard that the active noise cancellation on this headphones is top notch in the market, even compared to any of the latest Sony XM5s or the Beats Solo 4, which I'm about to review next. So another thing which we need to notice is what's mentioned on the box here. It's made for iPhone, works with Android. So that means this is designed for iOS, but it's compatible with Android. So I'm not sure if there are one or two features which might be missing, which works with the iOS and it doesn't work with Android. But that's what was my observation when I looked at this one. It's designed for iPhone or iPad, but works with an Android. So it's compatible with both the OS, but maybe we might miss some features with Android. This comes with the Bluetooth 5.1 and not latest 5.3. Yeah, and the Quiet Comfort Ultra comes with the 5.3. But this looks beautiful. I really love the color. I really love the materials, the quality of materials, the layout, and they have given the matching cable as well. And also with this cable you can use this phone, so you can use this headphones without any charge. Even if you run out of the charging on this headphones, then we can use this 3.5mm jack and still be able to use these headphones. So this is great. So let me show you all the physical layout once again before we wind down the video. This is how it looks. Wow, beautiful. So that's pretty much for the unboxing of the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. I'll use this and hopefully I'll come up with the review of the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. Thanks for watching.